Hey, it's Todd, Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is Form S-6. We've talked about S-1s before. We've talked about S-4s. What's an S-6? Now, an S-6 is when you're registering shares or unit trusts with the SEC for resale or for sale to the public. Now, I don't want to get in super detail here. It's very complicated. If you're a company, a sponsor like Morgan Stanley, and you want to sell unit trusts, you have to file an S-6 with the SEC to make those shares tradable, and then you can sell those unit trusts to the public. Now, here's a total side note and one you'll get really easy. For those of you who want to look back to Berkshire Hathaway, today it trades like $300,000 a share, give or take. But in the olden days, just kidding, not that long ago, when Berkshire Hathaway traded for $300,000 a share or $100,000 a share or $25,000 a share, the average person couldn't buy one share. So they formed unit trusts that bought that one share and then broke it up in little unit trusts and sold it to the public so everyone could own part of Berkshire Hathaway. Now, Warren Buffett didn't like this, and what did he do? He created Class B shares that were 1/30th of the public shares that were trading under Class A, and therefore the price was lower and anyone could buy them. Unit trusts, Form S-6, are used to create unit trusts for registration purposes to sell to the public. Today's word is S-6. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.